1-1, simplify variable expressions using properties. Number 3, simplify. We have 4 problems. Let's look at A first. There are some like terms that we can combine. I will be using the shape to show you the like terms. So you have the x term here and an x term here. They can combine in that blue circle. 9x plus 4x give us 13x. Then you have the y terms. I'm going to put that in the square red. So we have 3y plus 2y. That gets us 5y. So here, the simplified expression here would be 13x plus 5y. You no longer can simplify this any further because these two are not like terms. They are different variables. Therefore, you're done. This would be completely simplified. B. We have the blue circle here for the x. Nothing happens to that, so we'll just bring that down. Then we have the y's. So the square red here is 1y, and this is another y. Please understand that this is minus 1y. No one really writes that 1 there, though. So we have 3y and a negative 1y. This gets us a 2y. Then you have the z value here. This is going to be a long rectangle. Nothing happens to that one, so that's just bring down negative 7z. Then we have our constant here. I'm going to make this the purple triangle. Nothing happens there. We just bring that down. So we can just write this as x plus 2y minus 7z plus 30. This would be the simplified expression. You no longer could do anything here because they are not like terms. You cannot combine them any further. Let's take a look for C. We have the x terms, which is going to be in the blue circle. Please understand this is a minus 1x. So we have a 6x, a minus 1x, or a 6x and a negative 1x. That gets us 5x. Then we have the square red, which is a negative 5y and a plus 3y. That together gets us negative 2y. So writing this as the expression is just 5x minus 2y. You no longer combine like terms because they're different variables. Letter D. We have to simplify certain things here following the rules of PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then subtraction and addition. So we are going to do the parentheses first. So we have the 2 squared, that just becomes 4. So let me show you what I mean here. So I'm going to grab this and I'm going to copy it down here. Watch how I just take it out. Okay, 2 squared just becomes the number 4. Do you see how I just write it under it? Perfect. Then you have that 7 plus 3 on the bottom. That just becomes a 10. Okay. Then I'm going to do one more. The 4 minus 4 here becomes a plus 0. All right. I did 3 things at once. Okay. Nothing happened to that 4x plus, well, we have 50 over 10, which simplifies to just a 5y. No one writes that plus 0. Okay. Please understand that 50 divided by 10 is equal to the number 5. Okay. All right, this cancels 5 over 1. All right, so the simplified version here is 4x plus 5y.